Hello everyone, in this video I will share how to display battery percentage on Oppo A5T7. Okay, let's get right into the tutorial. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Okay, first open your settings menu. Okay, next open notifications and status bar. Okay, next open status bar. Okay, next open battery percentage. Okay, there are two options inside battery icon like this, outside battery icon like this. Okay, I will select outside battery icons. Okay guys, yep, successfully. Okay guys, so many tutorials from me. I hope this tutorial is useful. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you.